So hey guys, welcome to today's video. As you can see, I bought a new camera for you, and I'm sorry for the late update. I was trying to make this video, but I had many setbacks and stuff. So I'm going to tell you guys about today. But as you can see, we are in my store and we have did over 2 million crowns, in 30, 35, 36 days. But I have a problem with my Facebook, which was one of my ad account, not my personal account, got restricted. I have never had ad accounts banned or business manager banned, nothing, but just my account got restricted. I think maybe it's because one of my page got disabled because of feedback score, and that's not never going to happen again because I have a solution on turnarounds for that. But besides that, at the moment I'm looking for getting an account set up for myself. But as you can see, this store is I have turned off ads for this store. I can show you the dates. Like today you can see nothing, almost nothing. I have I can get conversion rate, and their ads are turned off, and yesterday as well, all the ads are off in here, as you can see. So this was, I think, yeah, this was the last day before I turned off the ads because everything was such a mess with this store, guys. But this store have too much potential to scale because I was scaling the store high, but the problem with the Facebook and stuff, so everything just stopped me kinda. And I can show you my highest day kinda. I don't remember what day that was, but as you can see here, this day we did 80,000. This is around $9,000 or something. And here 9,000 or 10,000, and here you can see we did $12,000 in one day, guys. And after that I had a dip in everything. The performance after this day dropped, as I told you. You can see in this day performance stopped to dropping, and what I didn't know was Facebook was starting to send the feedback store to the customers, and Facebook was showing my ads to less people for higher cost, and my account was getting shadowed. I didn't know about it. I was what is wrong? Conversion rate dropped, the sales dropped, and everything. And the day after that was the same problem, as you can see in here. And the third day my Facebook page got disabled, and this happened. So we got dropped very much. We got dropped down, and that's what the only thing I didn't predict, because with my feedback score I put it to ask customers 9 weeks plus. But guys, when you do that, when you tell Facebook your delivery time is 9 weeks plus, Facebook going to hit you with the feedback score very much sooner, and that was the problem that I didn't know about. So one thing I recommend you do, when you're doing dropshipping store and that is working for you, just put 7 weeks and stuff, and try to have a good customer service, good customer service, faster delivery times. But there's still some workarounds that I can't go through it in this video because it takes a lot of time. But as you can see, from that day, I tried to control it, but I couldn't. The day after we did a little bit good, I tried to get it back up, because as soon as my page got disabled, all of my ads and CBOs or ABOs that were profitable, they got turned off automatically because the page is disabled. So everything in my campaign got up and down. And before that, as I show you, I had average of 3 ROAS and 70% 60% profit margin. But that dropped to 2.2, and I was still 32% profit, but I wasn't happy with that, because I was so up, and I wasn't spending anything. I was just flowing in money. As you can see, I try to control it kind of, guys, in here. And the day after that, they drop again, because one of other pages that I got disabled as well. So I was predicting that this was going to happen. And when you have spent under $100,000, what is happening is you can only make 250 ads. So with my first page that I did for this website, for this product, that page got ad limit. So I made another page with the same name kinda, and I started to advertising there. And as soon as my first page got disabled, I went to that page and tried to restart campaigns on that page. But I'm sorry, as you know, when you restart the campaign, you ain't going to have the same audience. But as I had the many pixel data, I was starting to get profitable again. But that page got disabled as well, and all of my ads that were profitable, all of them got shut down, guys. And I was what I'm going to do now, because only problem was Facebook, and I was just ready to scale this to 5 million crowns, like 500, $600,000, you know, in just like matter of months, guys. Like I was going up so fast, as you know. As you can see, the next day we had a little bit better. Like I was trying to like only fix it and fix it. As you can see, $63,000 a day after that. Like I was just trying to like do my best with the new, and this was all this ads. Since this day was a new page, new ads, like no likes and anything, you know. But no matter like what I did, like Facebook wasn't showing it to us, so we had only a dip. And yeah, you know, it was I was still like 30%, 35% profit, but I was just going down, you know. I couldn't keep it because it was in the same ad account and same person, so Facebook was still shadowing it because I got 2 pages disabled with feedback score. So after a matter of time, it was like, I guess it was on this day or something like that, I got restricted, my personal account got restricted on Facebook, so I couldn't duplicate any ads. I could just turn them off, you know. I could just turn off the ads, or I just could watch them run unprofitably, and I couldn't like turn them off, you know. So what I did was like I tried to like scale them as much as I can, like without duplicating it, but just dropped. And at this day I just turned them off because at the moment I'm waiting for like a new ad account. I'm getting everything set up, new ad account, new business manager and everything, and this time nothing's more is going to happen because I haven't working on a solution behind all the problems that I got. And like I'm happy that this thing happened to me soon, because now I have the workaround around it. And this problem from Facebook, like ad account ban or business manager ban, personal account ban, feedback score, nothing going to hurt my business no more because I have experience with it and I have a solution. So this store, I'm not done with it yet because I'm going to take it to 5-6 million crowns, maybe $1 million, like in 2-4 months, guys. Like I can do it, you know. I'm getting new creatives made from the store, from my agency, and then like as soon as I get my new ad account that is going to be ready like in 5 or 6 days, maybe a week, I'm just going to start this store fresh out, and I'm just going to scale it soon. But I got another business manager at the moment from one of my friends that I got set up. He got the business manager verified. He's been using it for a couple of months and he haven't been blocked or anything. So he's a fresh business manager, like verified, and I got one of his ad accounts. But the problem there is like I launched a new product with him, and I can show you the store. The first day with that product, I did $2,000 and I only spent $200 or something because his new ad account is limited. And what is it? You have a daily spend limit, and when it's a new ad account, the limit is low. And I was trying to like test as much as I can with this product, but like I had like 3 or 5 CBOs with $200 budget or something. It only spent $20 of each of them, you know. And then was like I spent $200 that day to get $2,000 something back. And with that ad account, I can show you the story I'm back and with proof, guys. With that ad account, like it shows everything 10% off. So actually I did $2,200. It just shows $2,000, and I was like 9 ROAS on the first day, guys. I'm not joking, on the first day. And the problem with that is like I'm just going to scale that store, but I cannot scale it with his ad account because it have a daily budget limit. At the moment I'm trying to talk to Facebook to up the budget limit, but yeah, that take time, you know. So I got my another ad account, like the strong ad account I'm going to get. But guys, like one thing I found out, like the key to Facebook, like they say is a product, it is a like a creative and store and all that true, but the Facebook account you use is true as well because it's different than each ad account. I use the same product that I'm selling in my friend's business manager to do it in my own. I did it in my own before I got restricted, and I got 3 ROAS on the first day. But on my friend page, I got 8 ROAS and same creatives, same interest, and like same everything, just different ad account. I got 8 ROAS there. So what that mean is I got 2 pages banned. So Facebook was shadowing my page and was shadowing my account and stuff. I got 3 ROAS, and that was like with this product, that 3 ROAS is like 90% profit. But like with my friend's account, I got 8 ROAS because like I spent $200 to get back $2,000. My store conversion rate was 13% or something like that. So, and this is a new winning product that I know that's going to be a win, and I tested it, you know, and it worked. So at the moment, like I'm just taking everything slow because like today, like the Facebook spent like $200 to get me like $2,200, $2,300 with the product, and it isn't spending anymore. So I cannot scale that store fast as I scale this store, as you can see. But as you can see here, like I made it like to 2 million. You can see. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. Just I had a problem with the camera. Camera just died, but I'm using a free app, and the app only letting me like video record 10 minutes. I have to figure this out. But as you can see, like in this day, I made like 2 million crowns, which is like $210,000 or something like that. And yeah, guys, and that was it. And I got the extra $100,000 in only 2 weeks, And I was scaling so fast, but man, Facebook stopped me. Every time is a setback. So good days make for bad days, guys. So fortunately, you guys don't have to make the problem because I did. Just keep your eyes on the feedback score, and like when you put it in 9 weeks, Facebook going to hit you like much faster. So keep that in mind. So I'm just going to hop on my ad account and show you everything. So as you can see, this is my ad account. Obviously, I'm not going to show the product and interest because like I'm trying to scale the product. But as you can see, the numbers here, average video watch time, and you can see the date in here as well. But average video watch time is this, like a unique CTR 10%, guys. This is crazy. And like a click-through rate, like how many people went to my website, 6%. So I have the funnel as in, you can see in here. Delivery, CPC, cost per click, impressions. So I can see like impressions, how many people have seen my ad. We can see it's 5 million. Of how many people have seen my ad, how many people clicked on my video, like, and from this you can see if your thumbnail works. You can see all the funnel with how I set up my columns. So of 5 million people that seen my ad, almost 3 million of them click on the video. So it means my ad copy is actually good, that it works. And we see like of that million that click on the video, how many watched the 75% of video, which is like almost 500,000, and how many watched 95% of the video, which is like 340,000 people. And that is like kind of good. So there is not a big drop off. Yeah, it is actually a big drop off, but like yeah, I have to work on that. Yes, guys. So video average watching with 12 seconds, and my video is like 30 seconds long or something. As you can see, like how many people click on the ad to make it full screen. That's what this means. Like it's 10%. How many people click on the link to go to my website is 6%. So that's kind of good. Unique link clicks. How many people click on the link to go to website? Unique content view. How many actually viewed your website? But this number isn't accurate, guys. So because like a Facebook problem and stuff. Unique add to carts. How many add to carts I have? None of this is accurate. Like I actually got 5,000. 5,000. I can show you like this isn't accurate. You can see like this is total sales, but I can show you the sales here. You can see my total sales is, as you can see here, almost is 6,000, 5,990, but in Facebook says 5,000. It's just missing like 400 purchases or something. So as you can see, like everything in here. But like my ROAS is 2.3, so I can show you here it is missing 400 purchases. So actually this should be on 2.45, which is my 40% profit, as I showed you in my last video, from $0 to $100,000 in 25 days. Like I show you my KPI and numbers, So I can see here this is 2.35, but it's missing 450 purchases, and this is my only attributions for one 70 click or one delivery, because I have different attribution settings in my ads, and I can show you the different one. As you can see here, in here I have 2 ROAS, and I have $3,000 spent, 6,000, almost $6,000 back, which is true ROAS, and this is for my different settings, So if I put them both together, you cannot see my ROAS because it's a different attribution setting. So totally I have spent $100,000 to get back, but I cannot put them together, so we cannot see how much I have gone back from this. So I can show you, just we have a little bit of lag in here. So in here I have like spent $97,000 to get back $228,000, and which is like 2.35 ROAS, guys. And that is like, this is not accurate because this should be 2.45 ROAS, as the reason I showed you the purchases and stuff. But yeah, guys, so that's like basically it, That's been what's been happening. And with this, so like with all this problem that been happening, I have still been able to keep it at 40% profit. So like this isn't like that much that we have, but like my camera is in here. I don't know how I can manage to show you the video, as I'm just going to try a different method. And just a second. So sorry guys, I just put the camera on this way, so I just noticed that you cannot see the date, man. I'm sorry. So as you can see the date from what date I showed my Shopify store, but the store been turned off until Tuesday. But like I showed you like my where the ROAS was dropped immediately. I can show you like the day everything got turned off. I think it was this day. You can see my ROAS 1.73. You know, it was very bad, guys. Like, but I tried to like get it up after that day, and you know, I did my best. You know, I did my best, but like you know, shit happens. But I can show you the best day we had, which was the 8th. So on this day, like I spent like 4,000 to get 10,000 back. I was like 40% profit. Like, and the day before it, what was it? Day before it, like 249. So I was like always like 40% profit, as you can see. But yeah, guys, I did my best. But after that day, everything started to drop because of the Facebook feedback score and stuff. And as you can see in here, but the total from this day, which is like turned off, this day I turned it off, but I can show you just all the days. April, let's see, like $97,000. Like, and as I showed you, like this should be like 400 more purchases, so it's not showing everything, guys. But yeah, man, this is like Facebook ads, and this is like how I did it. But at the moment, so I have a setback. I have to wait for get my new ad account and business manager and everything ready, you know. And this shit is not going to happen to me again. Lesson learned, you know. Always like grow more. So this like teach me a lot more with this store and stuff. But with my new product, I'm going to make a case study for that as soon as possible, because I'm going to scale that to $100,000 like fast, you know. And I'm going to make a case study for it, and I'm just hope you guys got a little bit of value out of it, you know. So I hope you guys have a good day, you know. Peace.